welcome back to another video. Today I want to show y'all my morning routine from start to finish with MicroLocks. I'm going to be showing y'all my hair and my makeup. I thought that it would be fun to clock it from start to finish. Like, I'm actually going to put on makeup today. You know, nothing too crazy though, because y'all know I'm not really skilled in that department just yet. So I'm going to be putting on makeup, like my everyday makeup routine. Something slight, but still, I'm going to be doing it. And I'm going to be styling my hair. I did not style my hair last night. I didn't twist it, didn't braid it or anything. So y'all gonna be able to see like a realistic view of what my hair looks like whenever I don't do anything to it. I wanted to show y'all real quick what products I'm going to be using. So before we get into it, I just wanted to talk about this rosemary essential oil, because that's the only thing that I have in my spray bottle of water that I use every day. And the reason why I love rosemary so much is because it promotes hair growth by increasing the circulation to your scalp. It's also a natural cleanser. It also helps increase shine in your hair, and it's really good if you have dry, flaky, itchy scalp issues. It helps relieve it. The two ways that you can incorporate rosemary oil into your daily hair care routine is by putting it in some water. That's my method of choice, and you can also put it in your favorite oil, but I like to put it in my water just because I've been doing it for about 2 years now, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I've just been using it in my water mixture. So that's that. I just wanted to say that real quick before I started, because I am going to be timing myself, and I don't want to like have, you know, stop and be like, hey y'all, look at this rosemary oil. Like, it's gonna mess up the time. I want this to be as accurate as possible. And then as far as makeup products go, I'm just gonna be using this. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and start the video. I'm gonna get my timer ready. We're gonna see how long this is gonna take me. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm pulling up my little stop clock or stopwatch. I did get my lashes done, so that's gonna help a lot. And ready, 3, 2, 1, go. So I'm gonna start off with some concealer. I already like moisturized my face and stuff and washed it. And with the concealer, normally I'll just like spot treat. I don't go too crazy with it because I just don't like having a lot of stuff on my face. Okay, and then honestly, I never set it. That's probably not the right thing to do, but I never set it like with a powder or anything like that. I just go straight in with my blush. I just use a little bit, just a smidget. And since my lash is already done, now I'm going to move on to the lipstick. I don't know if I want to do red or brown. I think I'm going to do let's go with red, whatever. Let's just do it. Oh my gosh, why am I messing up now that I'm trying to like time myself? Y'all, why did I literally mess up whenever I start? This never happens. This never happens. Oh no, this is like, y'all, this never happens. I swear. I know what this is. Y'all just make me nervous. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair. I'm so sorry if my lipstick looks crazy. It never happens. This never happens to me. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. Normally, I just shake it out a bit. And I'm gonna spray it with my rosemary water mixture. Not too much, because I don't want to do the most. I don't want my hair to be drenched or anything. Oh, I guess we're doing a side part today. See how I just naturally lay it this way? Okay. Alright, so that's it. Just kidding. I'm gonna go in with this I am gonna go in with this Nourishing. Oh my god, y'all, my lipstick looks a mess. I have to do it again. This video, as far as being like a little timed thing, is a fail because I messed my lipstick up, which never happens. Normally I can put my lipstick on in my sleep, but today, of course, now that I'm trying to film something, it looks a mess. So I'm just gonna start over. Not gonna lie, I kind of look like a vampire right now because the lips are so dark, because I had to go over it twice with this goth topic, which I normally don't have to do. But anyways, I'm just gonna finish my hair. I'm gonna go on with this TyKara Nourishing Mist by Candy Sweet's Beauty. Y'all know I've talked about her products so many times because I really love them. I love the way that they smell. It smells like candy, of course. My hair is getting so long. I was watching videos the other day, like whenever I first got my locks done, and it looks so different. Like, wow. I'm on my tiptoes. Just went in with the Nourishing Mist, and then my oil of choice for the day is going to be jojoba oil. I use this for everything, y'all. My hair, my skin, pretty much everything. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit. I'm mainly gonna be focusing on my ends though, and my edges, of course. And then I'm just gonna do my edges a little bit. Whenever I do my edges, y'all, I try really hard not to get it in my locks, like my actual locks. Just keep it on my edges, because I don't want to get buildup. I've been doing really well as far as like not getting buildup, because I rarely do my edges for one, and whenever I do, I try really hard not to get it in my actual locks and just keep it on my edge. And I don't like to go super crazy with my edges, just like a little swoop here and there. And that's it. So that's normally how my morning routines go, my everyday hair and makeup routine. I'm stopping the timer right now. It's at 13 minutes. Y'all know I would have been done faster if I didn't mess up my lipstick. I know y'all saw that. I know you saw it. It normally takes me like 7 to 10 minutes at the most to get ready, but you know, I had a little bit of difficulties today. So don't mind that. We're just gonna throw the time part of this video out the window and just focus on like my everyday makeup and hair routine. So that was pretty much it. If you have any questions about where I got anything, I have the links to all of my favorite products in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. I hope that y'all enjoyed today's video. I'll talk to you in my next one, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.